How to blur face in CapCut. So first, open up your CapCut app, and then you just need to, for example, this is your video here. So first is you just need to tap on the video, and then you just need to look for duplicate here. We need to duplicate this video here. So let's just look for it. Okay, now tap on duplicate. Then once it's duplicated, you just need to tap on the second video, and then you just need to tap overlay. Let's look for overlay here. Okay, now tap on overlay, and then you just need to move the second video below the first one. Okay, so let's just move it here. Okay, now here you just need to tap on the first video again, and then tap on effects, tap on video effects, and then search for blur, this one. Okay, now tap on the first one or whichever blur that you want. So I'll just choose the first one. Tap on cancel, and then tap on check here. Okay, next is tap on the second video, and then you just need to look for mask here. Let's look for mask. Okay, this one. Next is choose the face or the shape that you want to use. Since we're going to blur the face, it's better if we use the circle. Tap on circle, and then you just need to put it on the face. And there you go. And now you just need to tap on invert here at the bottom left, this one. Tap on it, and there you go. Now just tap on the check mark here. And now if you want to play the video, as you can see, now the face has been blurred. Okay, so that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.